And so for the final problem from this chapter target round from 2019, we have problem 8. So Luis randomly assigns the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the variables t, h, e, l, m, and a. And using each value exactly once, what is the probability that m minus a times t minus h times l minus e times t minus e equals 1? Express your answer as a common fraction. And so we have that our most powerful information is that this thing, the product equals 1. And since all of these variables are integers, that means that each of these also has to be an integer. And so the multiplication of a bunch of integers only equals 1 if all of the values are 1 or -1. So we have that each of these individual differences has to be plus or minus 1. They all have to be 1 or -1, or else this fails. And this part over here, it's very dense, actually. So we can write out that, for example, E has to be, oh shoot, I forgot I put the font smaller. We have that E is bordered by L and T, and then T is bordered by H, because T minus E has to be plus or minus 1, L minus E has to be plus or minus 1, T minus H has to be plus or minus 1. So all of these border each other. So we have that L, E, T, and H must be an arithmetic sequence with difference 1. Same thing with MA. It has to be an arithmetic sequence of difference 1. And then this means that we either have that LETH is 1, 2, 3, 4, and MA is 5, 6, or we have that LETH is 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, I'm going to write this a bit more clearly. So we have two cases. Case 1 is that LETH is the set 1, 2, 3, 4, and MA, they make up 5 and 6. And the other case is LETH, they make up 3, 4, 5, and 6. And MA make up 1 and 2. Those are our two cases. And so in the first case, if LETH are 1, 2, 3, 4, we can either have that L equals 1 or H equals 4. So if L equals 1, E equals 2, T equals 3, H equals 4, that's one possibility. And that would imply that M minus A equals some value. It doesn't, but M minus A will be forced, since LETH uniquely determines this value of T minus H, L minus E, T minus E. Since LETH determines that, then M minus A will also be determined. So we'll know what M minus A is, and we know which two values M minus A takes. So M minus A, M and A are now determined. And similarly, we have the same thing if L equals 4, then we have that E equals 3, and then we have T equals 2, and then we have H equals 1, and then this once again determines M and A. And the second case is literally the exact same. L equals 3 equals, if L equals 3, then we get this chain reaction. Or if we have that L equals 6, then we get E equals 5, T equals 4, H equals 3, and then MA fixed and MA fixed. So thus, we have exactly four ways to choose and assign the variables to the values 1 through 6. which would give us that the product of these differences is 1, and there's 6 factorials, different ways to distribute them. So it's 4 over 720, which equals 1 over 180. And that is the answer to this final problem from the target round.